Hi, hello friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our channel, The Voice of Nurse. Today's class we are going to discuss biomedical waste management. Related to the biomedical waste management and color coding, what are the types will come related to the what will come in the biomedical waste point of view, we are going to discuss in today's class. Till now we finished almost all subjects related to the nursing point of view. 95% of MHSRB subjects also we already discussed previously. Till now we finished more than 2000 MCQs. With explanation we already finished subject wise, and 5 sets of model paper we already finished. 5 sets of model papers means 4 sets of model papers, and mock test from the TSMHSRB released mock test also we discussed detailedly. So anybody here new to this channel, please check it once, and we are having less time. 9 days only is there, so please prepare properly before the exam itself, and also along with MCQs. Last class 50 topics related to the nursing point of view. 50 very important topics I already explained briefly. Please check it once in last class. I will give a link in description also. Today we are going to discuss biomedical waste management. From the 50 topics only we will discuss one by one. 5 to 6 topics we will discuss in between the 9 days of the time, because less time we are having, that's why I am explaining here. Before moving on to topic, anybody here new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for further notification, and please share your opinion comment section. And I am providing videos and classes for the free of cost. Please give a like while watching the video. Please give a like and to your friends, and you can ask any doubts in comment section. Let's move on to today's class, biomedical waste management. Don't skip the video friends till end. Please watch the video. Each and every topic, each and every bit is very important. In today's class we are going to discuss introduction, definition, what is called as biomedical waste, purpose of biomedical waste, sources of biomedical waste, types, why biomedical is important, classification, methods of biomedical waste, symbols of biomedical waste, advantages, steps, color coding, what about new biomedical waste management, new guidelines from the WHO, latest amendment on biomedical waste management, new rules about biomedical waste management. First we will see the introduction. Biomedical waste or hospital waste is any kind of waste containing infectious materials generated during the treatment of humans or animal, as well as during research involving biologics. The biomedical waste or hospital waste is any kind of waste containing the infectious materials generated during the treatment of humans or animals, as well as during the research involving biologics. Biomedical waste is any waste produced during the diagnosis, treatment, or immunization of human or animal research activities pertaining thereto, or into the production or testing of biological or health camps. Next we will see definition. Definition of biomedical waste. Biomedical waste treatment refers to the procedures to eliminate the harmful effects of the waste. Biomedical waste treatment refers to the procedures to eliminate harmful effects of the waste, and biomedical waste is reduces the environmental hazards. There are numerous treatment options which maximize safety during management and disposal of waste. It is also reduces the environmental hazards. Next we will see the purpose of biomedical waste management. Biomedical waste management aim to reduce waste volume and ensure the proper disposal. All those involved should strive to make the environmental safe. The biomedical waste is to aim reduce the waste volume and ensure the proper disposal, means proper separation and disposal of the waste materials. All those involved should strive to make the environmental safe. The source of biomedical waste. What are the source of biomedical waste management means? The primary source of biomedical waste includes hospitals, nursing homes, laboratories, clinics, offices of dentists, physicians, veterinarians, dispensaries and medical transporters. These all things comes under the source of biomedical waste management means from these many sources we are collecting waste products from the hospitals, laboratories, clinics, dentist clinics and physicians, dispensaries and medical transporters. Next we will see types of biomedical waste. Four types we are having biomedical waste management. Those are, we will see one by one. First one is sharp, second one is pathological waste, third one is pharmaceutical waste, fourth one is genotoxic waste. We will see one by one in detail about types of biomedical waste. First one is sharp. Sharp objects like needles, scalpels, broken glass and razors. These all things comes under the sharps. Next we will see pathological waste. In pathological waste, body parts of humans or animals including tissues, fluids or blood. Related to the pathological waste means body parts of the humans or animals includes tissues, fluids or blood. Next we will see pharmaceutical waste. Pharmaceutical waste means unused drugs, medicines or creams that are expiring. Those medicines are expiring, medicines or creams and unused drugs. Next, what is genotoxic waste? Genotoxic waste is toxic drugs and hazardous toxic waste. By using of these types, we are discarding or we are disposing the biomedical waste according to the shops, pathological waste and pharmaceutical waste and genotoxic waste. Next we will see why biomedical waste is important. Why biomedical waste is important means without proper disinfection, biological waste can cause acquired immune deficiency syndromes, hepatitis B and C, severe acute respiratory syndrome means SARS, tetanus, psychological stress and other diseases will happen. Therefore, biomedical waste management is critical for protecting the environment and public health. So we have to reduce these all things conditions and communicable diseases means we have to discard waste, biomedical waste as rules. We have to follow all rules and regulations. Without proper disinfection, what will happen means just now I explained communicable diseases, AIDS, hepatitis B and C, severe acute respiratory syndromes, tetanus, psychological stress and other condition will happen to any human beings. So we have to discard the biomedical waste according to guidelines and rules and regulations. Briefly I am explaining, try to understand, we are having less time, that's why I am explaining very short. Next we will see classification of biomedical waste management. Biomedical waste is classified into two types: non-hazardous waste, hazardous waste. The non-hazardous waste, about 75% to 90% of biomedical waste characteristics were similar to than domestic waste and are non-risky in nature. Next we will see methods of biomedical waste. Chemical processes, thermal processes, irradiation processes, biological process and mercury process and mercury control. These all things comes under the methods of biomedical waste management. Nurses and sanitary staff are mostly involved activities related to the biomedical waste management such as collection, segregation, transport and proper disposable. What is the role of hospital staff in biomedical waste means to implement the guidelines of hospital waste management and ensure that waste is handled without any adverse effects to the human health environment. He or she is responsible for submitting an annual report on medical waste management. The nurse's role, the nurse's responsibilities in the Biomedical waste management means us are responsible for recognizing patient symptoms, taking measures within their scope of practice to administer medications, providing other measures of symptom alleviations, and collaborating with other professionals to optimize patient comfort and families understanding the adoption. The methods and nursing management. Next we will see symbol of biomedical waste. What is the symbol of biomedical waste means? Containers of biomedical waste are marked with a biohazard symbol. We can see in this picture on the clip we are seeing the symbol of biomedical waste. Each and every bin we are having this symbol only, but color code is different. The container marking and labels are often read. Discarded shops are usually collected in specialized boxes and also called as needle boxes. White containers also called as shop boxes, also called as needle containers or needle boxes. So this is the biohazard symbol on the biomedical waste bins. This is related to the symbols of biomedical waste management. The role of nurse in biomedical waste management is disinfect the waste, reduce requirement of storage, waste minimization, monitor segregation of waste, disposable items disposed to the proper way. This is the nursing role and responsibilities in biomedical waste management. Next we will see advantages of biomedical waste management. Advantages of biomedical waste management. Biomedical waste are known for their excellent build quality. Main advantages are to reduce pollution, conserve resources and prevent damage to ecosystems, reducing risk of contamination of the environment. These all things related to the advantages, and also preventing spread of infectious diseases, protecting the health of healthcare workers and healthcare providers, the public and the environment, reducing the cost of healthcare. And along with these advantages we are having main benefits of waste management are to reduce pollution, conserve resources, prevent damage and ecosystem. Along with, by properly disposing of waste we can greatly reduces the number of harmful chemicals and pollutants enter our body, air and soil. So the advantages of biomedical waste comes under the protecting healthcare workers and healthcare professionals, publics and environment, reducing risk of contamination of the environment, preventing spread of infectious diseases, and also infectious disease also comes under the communicable disease also, means infectious disease will come like communicable diseases also. So these many things we can control through the proper maintenance of the biomedical waste management. We can achieve these many things. Next we will discuss steps of biomedical waste management. In steps we are having mainly 7 steps in managing the biomedical waste. Steps management of biomedical waste includes waste collection, segregation, transportation and storage, transport to final disposal site and final disposal, pharmaceuticals and pressurized containers. These include generation, accumulation, handling, storage, treatment, transportation are disposable. And also along with these steps also we can see the 5 steps also: generation, accumulation, handling, storage, treatment, transportation and disposable. Plus reduce, rescue, recycle, recover, landfilling. These all things comes under the biomedical waste management only. So we have to collect the waste, then segregation, then transport and storage. After the transport and storage, final disposal site, then final disposal site to pharmaceuticals and then pressurized containers. We have to dispose the waste in the particular area, reduce, rescue, recycle and recover. These all things comes under the steps of biomedical waste. We will discuss about color coding. Main important, very important topic is color coding for the biomedical waste management. We will see one by one. We are having 4 colors mainly: red, yellow, white, blue. We will see one by one. Yellow color bins. These bins represents pathological waste, solid waste, human waste, tissues, organs or bodily fluids. The yellow bin contains clinical lab waste, medical and chemical waste, pharmaceutical waste like discarded or expired medicines and drugs, and type of waste disposed using yellow clinical waste bags includes swabs means cotton, bandages, dressings, blood contaminated cotton swabs, bandages. These all things comes under the means bandages two times. Why I am repeating means blood related to the cotton swabs, blood related to the dressings, and also all cotton swabs comes under the yellow bin. So these bins represents the pathological waste, solid waste, human waste, tissues, organs and bodily fluids. This is related to the yellow bin or yellow color coding of biomedical waste. Next we will see red color biomedical waste management. Red color biomedical waste management includes contaminated waste or recyclable the waste. List very shorter than the comparing to yellow strategy and yellow category. Solid waste, infected plastic waste generated from disposable items other than the shops. Other than the shops, we can discard the solid waste, and recyclable waste we can discard in the red bin or red biomedical bin. And also such as means the red bin includes catheters, tubing, glasses, plastic syringes, IV sets, blood bags, blood preserves, animal parts and also animal parts, etc. Red is the color used to code anatomical waste. Red waste can be hazardous or non-hazardous. Includes any waste generated from the body. For example, body parts and tissues we can discard in the red bin. So this is related to the color code of the red. Next we will see white. Color code of biomedical waste management in white. White color in biomedical waste management consists of short waste including metals. White or white bin also called as translucent biomedical waste. In the white bin we can discard the waste includes metals, needles, syringes with fixed needles, and needles should be tip cut means needles from the tip cut. Actually we have to burn before the discarding the syringes in the bin, we have to burn itself. So white or translucent waste management comes under the waste includes metals, needles, sharp objectives. This is about related to the white bin. Next we will see blue bin, color coding for the biomedical waste management. The blue containers are for non-hazardous pharmaceutical waste. These bins represent non-hazardous solid waste includes regular pills and medications. Blue bin containers are for the non-hazardous pharmaceutical waste and also containers traditional recyclable such as bottles, we can discard bottles, cans, plastic and organic waste such as paper, cardboards, medical glass waste we can discard in the blue bin. And additionally we will discuss briefly black code. The black colored containers biomedical waste management. These bins represent hazardous waste. In the we are discussed in the classification of the biomedical waste. We discussed about the non-hazardous waste in there. We are discussing hazardous waste related to the in this black color bin. In these bins represent hazardous waste like chemicals, bad or dangerous medications and chemo treatment medications. Cytotoxic medications are stored in the black bins. This is the biomedical waste color coding management. We will see new guidelines related to the biomedical waste. First we will see WHO guidelines for biomedical waste management. Alternatives to incineration such as autoclaving, microwaving, steam treatment integrated with internal mixing which minimize the formation and releases of chemicals or hazardous emissions should be given consideration of particular settings. Hence, there are sufficient resources to operate the maintain such systems and dispose of waste. This is related to the new guidelines of biomedical waste. Next, what is the latest amendment of biomedical waste management means? Harshvardhan pointed out that amended rules stipulate the generators of biomedical waste such as hospitals, nursing homes, clinics and dispensaries etc. will not use chlorinated plastic bags and gloves beyond March 2022. The guide is a compilation of important strategies that are key to appropriate management of biomedical waste in India. In the medical application to save the environment, this is the main important central waste collection room for the biomedical waste and standards for the treatment of disposable of biomedical waste management should be under the guidelines of WHO. Next, what is the plastic waste management according to the new rules means government notifies the plastic waste management amended rules 2021 and the prohibiting identified single use of plastic items by the 2022. Thickness of plastic carry bags increased from the 50 to 75 microns from 30th September 2021 and 120 microns with effects from the 31st December 2022. These all are the new guidelines related to the plastic waste management rules and regulations. We'll see what is the new biomedical waste management rules. The biomedical new rules and regulations. First one is no untreated biomedical waste shall be mixed with other waste. No untreated means not used for the treatment and not related to the body fluids is not mixed with the other waste materials. The biomedical waste shall be segregated into containers or bags. The biomedical waste should be containers or bags at the point of generation in accordance with schedule prior to its storage, transportation, treatment and the disposal. This is related to the new biomedical waste management rules. As per the rules, no hospital can establish on site of treatment and disposal facility if a service of common biomedical waste treatment facility is available with at the distance of 75 kilometers. Thus, biomedical waste management at AIMS is outsourced. This is related to the biomedical waste management. Till now we discussed related to the introduction, definition, waste management and what is called as biomedical waste, purposes, sources of biomedical waste management, types, color codes related to the biomedical waste management, new guidelines related to the biomedical waste and WHO new guidelines, rules and regulation, latest amendment of biomedical waste and also nursing role, nursing management in the biomedical waste. These many things we already discussed in this class. Thank you so much for watching. Is it class is useful or not? I have to know. Please give a comment and please give a like. Share your opinion comment section. Anybody here new to this channel, please subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for further notification and please share the video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Keep watching friends.